Ever wondered how some moms always look like they've just stepped off a runway, even when they're just running errands? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to the fabulous rich mom styles. Let's get you looking like $1,000,000 without actually spending it. The rich mom style is not about being rich, it's about looking rich. Big difference. We're taking style cues from the likes of Jennifer Lopez, Michelle Obama, Kate Blanchett, and Victoria Beckham. But don't worry, you won't need their bank accounts. First up, power suits. Tailored power suits are making a strong comeback in 2024. Remember that blazer you bought years ago that you never wear? Time to dust it off. Tailored power suits are in, so you can look like you're ready to negotiate a business deal at your kid's school meeting. These outfits can make you look like the CEO of your life, even if your real title is Chief Home Officer. Monochrome looks are also trending. Dressing in a single color from head to toe can make you look taller, slimmer, and effortlessly put together. Experiment with different shades of the same color to add depth and interest to your outfit. Monochrome outfits are incredibly versatile and can be adapted for both casual and formal occasions, making them a must-try trend. Midi dresses are perfect for any occasion. They're like the Swiss Army knife of dresses, elegant and comfortable. Look for interesting details like ruffles, pleats, or belts to add some flair. These dresses can be easily dressed up or down, making them a versatile addition to your wardrobe. Whether you're attending a brunch, a business meeting, or a casual outing, a midi dress will always have you looking chic. Wide leg trousers are back and they're fabulous. Pair them with a fitted top or blazer for a balanced look. The flowy silhouette of wide leg trousers adds a touch of drama and elegance to your outfit, making them a must-have this season. This fashion piece makes it effortless to transition from a day at the office to a dinner out with friends. Minimalist jewelry is also in vogue. Think about gold hoops, delicate necklaces, and minimalist bracelets. It's all about looking effortlessly chic, like you just woke up looking fabulous. Minimalist jewelry is all about simplicity and sophistication, making it a great choice for any occasion. It's the perfect way to accessorize without overwhelming your look. And let's not forget about trench coats. A classic trench coat can elevate any outfit. It's perfect for those days when you want to look polished without too much effort. Trench coats are stylish and practical, providing an extra layer of warmth during cooler months. They are a timeless piece that never goes out of style and can be layered over almost any outfit for an instant upgrade. Another style to consider is the silk satin dress or skirt. Silk satin is known for its luxurious feel and elegant drape. A silk satin dress can be an exquisite choice for formal events, while a silk satin skirt can be paired with a variety of tops to create different looks. Whether you're going to a cocktail party or a fancy dinner, a silk satin piece will make you stand out with its shimmering sophistication. It's versatile enough to be dressed up with heels and statement jewelry or dressed down with a simple blouse and flats. Another essential is the button-up shirt. A crisp, well-fitted button-up shirt can be dressed up or down. Pair it with jeans for a casual look or with a skirt for something more sophisticated. This versatile piece will quickly become a staple in your wardrobe. A button-up shirt adds a touch of polish and professionalism to any outfit, making it perfect for both workdays and weekends. Pencil skirts are a staple in the rich mom's wardrobe. They are perfect for both professional settings and casual outings, providing a sleek and sophisticated look. Opt for skirts in classic colors like black or navy for maximum versatility and style. Pencil skirts enhance your silhouette and give you a polished appearance that works well for a variety of occasions. Don't underestimate the power of a good pair of jeans. Well-fitting jeans can be both comfortable and stylish, perfect for running errands or a casual day out. Look for jeans with a bit of stretch to ensure they fit perfectly and keep you comfortable all day long. A good pair of jeans is a wardrobe essential that you'll wear again and again, offering both versatility and style. Now, let's talk about the color palette. Rich moms love their neutrals: beige, white, black, and navy. It's like the holy grail of sophistication. So if your wardrobe looks like a rainbow, it's time to embrace the elegance of neutrals. These colors are timeless and easy to mix and match, allowing you to create multiple outfits with minimal effort. Neutrals are the foundation of a versatile and stylish wardrobe that looks sophisticated and chic no matter the occasion. Most importantly, confidence is key. The best outfit in the world won't work if you don't wear it with confidence. Own your style and let your personality shine through. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite rich mom style trend? Let me know in the comments below, and let's start a fashion conversation together. The rich mom style is all about embracing elegance, sophistication, and timeless fashion. By drawing inspiration from influential personalities and staying updated with current trends, you can create a wardrobe that not only looks chic, but also makes you feel confident and empowered. Remember, fashion is not just about what you wear, but how you wear it. So, go ahead and embrace your inner fashionista and let your style shine.